Hi, I'm Nicola Cole and I am the VTCT Skills Key Account Manager for Scotland. And I'm really lucky to get to work with some fantastic training providers and employers across the nation, all who support the future generation of our industry. Today we're with Ambition and Gordon Wilson Hairdressing.
I'm Tia and I'm at Gordon Wilson Hairdressing and I'm doing level 2 hairdressing qualification. I chose to do an apprenticeship because I've always had a passion for hair, and even when I was at school I used to go to college and things, and I learned loads of new things for there, and ever since I went to college I just wanted to work in a hairdresser's. So on a Wednesday, Wednesdays are our training days, and on a Wednesday we have our clients coming in the afternoon, and we have a hairdresser who assists us and watches over us, just to make sure that we're not making any slight mistakes, and if we do then they help us and they show us how to learn from our mistakes. A typical day for me is I come in and I assist the hairdressers, I help shampoo, I make teas and coffees, I help clean the salon, and I just help the hairdressers. The skills I've learned since doing my apprenticeship are probably people skills. I used to be quite anxious and now I'm fine. A moment I'm proud of my apprenticeship is all the new skills and things that I've learned, and all the new stuff. Like learning like new hair types, learning like how to do colour, obviously cuts. My future plans are for when like I'm older and things, I want to be able to have like my own salon, my own staff. I recommend an apprenticeship because you get to learn like new things, you meet new people, you learn like loads of skills. You might also learn like this could be your career or it could not.
My name's Gail and we're in Gordon Wilson Hairdressers. I'm salon manager and trainer and hairstylist. Gordon Wilson Salon's a hair salon and beauty as well. The salon's been here for 49 years. It's a very well established business. We've got a very varied clientele. Our oldest client is 101. I started as an apprentice here and now Tia's an apprentice here. Worked my way up to salon trainer and manager, and so it can be done. Having apprentices in the salon helps our day-to-day running of the salon. Yeah, it's good seeing them growing and developing skills, growing in confidence, just seeing them flourishing as well. You know, they start when they're 16, so it's nice to see them grow and mature. But working alongside Ambition is great. They're very enthusiastic. They're there to help me as well as the apprentices when it comes to training and stuff. They're a great support.
So I'm Emma Evans. I'm the Director of Ambition Centre for Training. I'm on one of my visits to Gordon Wilson, where we have 2 apprentices. Gordon Wilson's an excellent employer, and Gordon Wilson has been in this salon for many years, and he nurtures and grows the apprentices and gives them an opportunity. The apprentices in this salon are immersed in their training on a day-to-day basis and then have a protected training time which happens on a Wednesday. So that's their 4-hour time to get their models where they train on areas that they maybe, the techniques they haven't learned yet. This is like Gail will sort of like really look at what they need to do, and it's about their learning their skills. The rest of the time it's the immersion with the client. So on a day-to-day basis, they're blow-drying clients, they're toning clients, they're working on reception, they're supporting the stylists. And as they grow in their skills, they start to take on more and more responsibilities. We have trained up assessors within the salons, and having an assessor in the salon that is qualified allows them to take that extra responsibility of understanding the framework, understanding the assessment strategy. So the learner is supported in day in and day out, so there is no sort of waiting for assessment. Assessment can happen holistically, which means that it can be monitored really closely. We have an app that collects all the evidence which means that I can see what an apprentice has done on a day-to-day basis. And it allows VTCT Skills to look into that as well. So they at any time can look at the app as well and see what we're doing. So that quality control is transparent and it's realistic and it's valid. And I think knowing that we put that process in place means that the learner is supported. They're not waiting for assessment. They feel that they are moving forward at their personal growth rate, which is really important to us. If we think of the example of Tia, Tia is coming to the end of her apprenticeship. She's actually been assessed on the majority of her practical skills in colour. And that's really important because for Gordon Wilson, it means that Tia is like an active, productive member of the salon and financially beneficial to the salon. Tia is doing colours, she's supported in that, but also she's supporting clients that come in, and that allows Gordon to have another financial stream. I think that's very important to employers. It's very important to Tia because although she's been assessing her skills, she's now using them all the time. So her skill keeps on growing because she's using that skill on real clients every single day.
At VTCT Skills, we are really proud to partner with training providers and employers who all share our vision for apprenticeships and supporting the future of our generation.